Hey everyone, welcome back to another HackerRank SQL walkthrough. In this video, we're solving Weather Observation Station 17, where we need to calculate the Manhattan distance between 2 points in a 2D plane, using the data from the station table. The problem defines 2 points. Point 1, P1, is located at the minimum latitude and the minimum longitude. Point 2, P2, is located at the maximum latitude and the maximum longitude. Our job is to calculate the Manhattan distance between these 2 points. Manhattan distance is the absolute difference in the x-coordinates plus the absolute difference in the y-coordinates. In math terms, absolute A, C plus absolute B, D, where A and B is the first point, and C and D is the second. For this we should use north latitude and west longitude. Finally, we have to round the result to 4 decimal places. Let's run code and look the result. Results seem correct. Thanks for watching video.